In this video, I want to quickly talk about where you can find free stock photos to decorate your website. All right. On the next slide, I'm going to provide you several websites that I like to use to download free stock photos so that I can decorate websites. I do want to mention, please note, certain websites will still require you to provide attribution for specific photos. So always read the details for each photo and website before downloading the photos and utilizing them online. Attribution means to provide credit, essentially. So some photos will, on some of the websites, will ask you to provide credit to the artist or photographer if you want to use it on your website. So for those photos, I would just avoid using them. And the reason, and for those new to kind of website design, the reason you can't just go on Google and search photos and then download them and use them is because you may be infringing on someone's copyright of that photo. So you got to be careful about that because you can get into a lot of trouble. Chances are they may not catch you, but I would not recommend that. I would just use free stock photos, free copyright photos, so that you don't get in trouble. So here are some of my favorite websites. The first one is actually a free stock photo from Shopify itself. Their website is called burst.shopify.com. It's really, really awesome. It's where I got the photos for the video I taught you how to customize your website. Those photos were found from burst.shopify.com. Pexels.com, Unsplash.com, Pixabay.com, and StartUpStockPhotos.com. These are all great websites. Some of these websites may, again, have requirements surrounding certain photos. So please always read the website before you use the photos, or read the details around that specific photos. Because certain websites will have photos where you don't have to provide attribution, and also other free photos that you do have to provide attribution. So sometimes they are photo specific. I will also add a link to the resources section of this lecture that has a Shopify blog article that shares a bunch of different websites that you can download free stock photos from. So make sure to check out that resource. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.